Most steam locomotive tenders consist of a chassis with a tank positioned on top of that, secured by bolts or welding. But in 520's case, to maximise water capacity, the water tank extends underneath the chassis and the chassis is built within the water space. And that was the original issue with 520, and that is what took it out of service in the late 1990s, the corrosion of that chassis within the water space. The work that was undertaken at Huntington Engineering over the last 6 years was to replace that chassis spine and to actually plate over that so that is now outside the water space. And together with building the rest of the tender structure brand new, we have a brand new tender with a protected chassis outside of the water space, and we also have a coated tender tank inside with a special paint to withstand corrosion. So this tank should last us a very, very long time.